Capital One Platinum Credit Card Review. So if you want a review of Capital One Platinum Credit Card, then this video is for you. So Capital One Platinum Credit Card is designed for individuals aiming to build or rebuild their credit. It offers straightforward features without the complexities of rewards programs. You can just simply go with the Platinum Credit Card on Capital One, search for Capital One Credit Card, and it will take you to the credit cards section. Now, the key features of this card are annual fee. So it's $0, making it accessible for those seeking a cost-effective credit building option. The next is credit building. It is ideal for individuals with limited or fair credit histories. Responsible use can lead to credit score improvements over time. And it has credit limit reviews and foreign transition fees. So foreign transition fees are none, allowing for international use without additional charges. The pros for this Capital One Platinum credit card is it has no annual fee and accessible approval and credit card increase potential. And there are some cons, which is it has high APR. The card carries a higher interest rate, making it less suitable for carrying balances, and no rewards program. It does not offer cash back or points on purchase. Now, users have reported positive experiences, particularly appreciating the card's acceptance and clear payment processes. So in conclusion, the Capital One Platinum credit card serves as a practical tool for those looking to establish or improve their credit policies or profiles. While it lacks rewards and carries a higher APR, its absence of an annual fee and potential for credit line increases make it a viable option for credit building. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.